Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing smoked glazed chicken wings on the Big Green Egg. We'll get our egg set up today. I've got 300 degrees preheated in the egg. We're going to add some wood chunks. These are cherry wood chunks because we do want some smoke on our wings. So I'm just going to place a few of those in there. That'll get the smoke rolling. Then we take our convector. This creates the indirect heat. We're going to place this right on top, like so. And now we'll get our wings ready. Let's get started. Step one, we're going to prepare our chicken wings. So we've got a couple dozen chicken wings here. I'm going to pat these dry. Just want nice dry skin, get all the moisture off the wings themselves. Just a couple paper towels. Next, we're going to use duck fat spray. The idea behind this gets a nice crisp skin on the outside. Now we'll put our seasoning on. Today we're doing spicy pineapple head from Dizzy Pig. Of course, available at Outdoor Home. You can get a sample and try it before you buy the whole thing. But this is it's got a little kick to it, but a lot of pineapple. You get a nice coating on here. So we're gonna put our dry seasoning on and cook this, and towards the end of the cook, then we're gonna hit this with our Glazed and Infused from Dizzy Pig as well. It's a really nice sweet sauce that goes well with that spicy. Now we're going to put the chicken on the egg. So you can see we're just about rebounded back to that 300 degrees. We got a nice smoke coming out. So this is ready to go. Interesting thing, so we're going to put these on. Interesting fun fact about doing chicken wings on the egg. This is where it all started 51 years ago when the founder of Big Green Eggs, Ed Fisher, first started selling these in his retail store in Atlanta, Georgia. This is how he would convince customers that they needed to own this in their backyard. He'd cook chicken wings out in front of the store and hand them out as samples on a Saturday, and everybody could tell the difference. The one thing I would say about the Big Green Egg, it keeps the moisture in the food that you cook from all the ceramics, that you really can tell there's something different when you cook chicken just because of the moisture that it holds. So these are going to cook for about an hour and a half, and we're going to glaze them in the last 15 or 20 minutes. So we'll shut this down and let those cook. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes. Yeah, those are crisping up really nice. So now what we're going to do is the glaze, as we mentioned, the Glazed and Infused. I'm just going to put a drizzle of this. It's got some sugar in this, so you don't want to put it on too early, but we just want this to cook in. Make sure we get them all. We don't want to miss one. Just like that. And we'll let that cook for another 15 minutes. Final check-in on the wings here. And these are ready to go. About an hour and a half total. That sauce is now kind of thickened up on the actual wings. If you'd like to try this at home, get the recipe at ky3.com, or you stop by Outdoor Home in Nixa for all your tailgate needs.